Hi, family and friends. Welcome back to Caribbean J03. If you're new here, welcome. And I hope you join the family. My name is Margaret. Come into my kitchen. Today I'm making some delicious carrot cake muffins. Yes, you heard me right. Guys, these are perfect for breakfast and an afternoon snack with a cup of tea or a cup of coffee, and simply enjoy them all on their own. Before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support my channel, to support and grow my channel. All right, let's get into the baking. Just a heads up, guys, I'm doubling the recipe, but the recipe that I'm leaving for you is for one batch of muffins. I started by adding the chopped carrots and the milk to the blender. Okay, I did not click record on the camera, so I did not record the first portion of it. Now I'm adding my eggs. Okay. I'm enjoying using the blender to do the first mixture, the wet portion of my cake mix. Doing the wet ingredients in the blender make it so easy and very quickly, guys. OMG, look at that. Okay, now to my dry ingredients. I have all my spices in there, and I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description below. And now I'm adding my sugar. I save a little bit just in case, but I will be using it. Oh man, this is so good. Ah, whoever came up with that idea for the mix, do the wet ingredient in the blender, hats off to you. Hats off to you. Oh, cause that is wonderful. If you guys try it, let me know how you guys enjoy doing this also. Okay, now I'm combining the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients. OMG, guys, this is looking so good. And it's so quick. Just a quick note, I also added applesauce. I was gonna do sweet potato, because you can also add sweet potato if you don't have applesauce. Sweet potato is also an option. I'll leave in the notes to what you can substitute. I'm adding my vanilla. I could have added when I did it in the blender, but I have no idea, so I'm adding it now. Okay, I had previously oiled my baking pans, my little cupcake and muffin pans, because I had both of them. The cupcake pans are smaller and the muffin pans are a little bigger. I love this little silicone ladle. It is perfect. No mess at all. Doing its thing. I love it. I love it. Thanks, Jer, because I have no idea where my sister find this. You know, she's always picking up stuff from everywhere. Hey, I benefit. Thank you. I love it. Oh, friends and family. I truly enjoy cooking and baking from scratch. If you've been following my journey, you already know that about 90% of what I make is done completely from scratch. It's something I take pride in, and I love sharing that process with you. And I love it when my family and friends enjoy everything that comes out of my kitchen. Okay, I'm adding some shredded carrots, just a little bit of garnish on top of my muffins before I put them in the oven. Okay, I have a little leftovers of the grated carrots, so I'm trying to fill in whatever little space I have. It's just a bit that is left, so. Okay guys, these are ready to go into the oven. Looking so beautiful. Lord of mercy, I can't wait. Okay, so now they're finished. So I'm taking them out of the oven and then we'll move on to the tasting part. But guys, they smell so delicious. Oh, and they look so beautiful. I can't wait to take a bite. Okay, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Guys, I need support to grow this channel. I appreciate it very much for all my subscribers and my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, now they're all finished, guys. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my God, I wish you guys could smell it. Oh, okay, all 4 of them are done. Okay, so now I'm removing them out of the muffin pan, and you can see they just pop right out. Such a wonderful job when you make sure to grease your pan properly, and it's also non-stick. But greasing it is just an additional to make sure we don't have any, issues in the bottom. And they popped out very wonderful, and guys, look how beautiful they are. Oh my God, I wish if you guys can smell them for real. Holy sweet Jesus, look at them, guys, look at them. Ooh. Chair, mom, look at that, guys. So soft, so spongy, so moist. Lord of mercy. Ooh, the time I've been waiting for to taste this. Oh my Lord. Chair and mom. Oh guys, I wish if you guys can taste these and the rest of the family. OMG, guys. Ugh. And as I said before, they are wonderful for breakfast and wonderful for afternoon snack. With a cup of coffee, a cup of tea. OMG, guys. Oh, you don't even need to wait for it, just knock on them. Alright, friends and family. The carrot cake muffins are done, looking absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed baking with me today. If you tried this recipe, please let me know how it turns out. I love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Caribbean J03 for more tasty recipes and kitchen moments. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. God bless.